Oh, hello, you guys. I'm going to teach you to make homemade bath bombs. Hello guys, welcome back to Shanaya's Wonderland. How are you guys? It's been such a long time till I didn't posted my new video because I have some exams and some work to do and I have lots of things. Now I finally decided to make a video for you guys, and I've been missing you and you have been missing me, I think so. So I would have made a new video earlier, so I am making one. Now guys, I have seen some videos of kids playing with bath bombs. You love bath bombs, na? So I have an easy peasy lemon squeezy hacks to make a homemade bath bomb. Aren't you so excited? Without any further ado, so let's get started. Now guys, I will tell you the things that we require for this. A scent like rose scent. It has apple scent and rose scent. You can choose anything of that. And then we have some cornstarch you need, citric acid, and some baking soda, vegetable oil, and one small spoon stirring stick, and a bowl. And these type of spoons, I don't know what you call them. Oh, I forgot to tell you about the color. Here's some blue food coloring. You can use red food coloring, yellow food coloring, any type of food coloring that you like. I'm using blue because I like blue. Now I am real excited with you to make homemade bath bombs. I'm so excited to make it my own. Now let's get started. First I'm taking 2 scoops of baking soda. Here you got some baking soda. Put it in this bowl. And take the second scoop. Not coming. Come up. Now it's some baking soda and pour it in the bowl. Here's some baking soda in 2 scoops. Now you need to pour 1 scoop of citric acid. Now it's a little bit of fun over here. 1 full scoop. Full. Now let's pour it in the bowl. Now add some 1 scoop of cornstarch. Now let's add 1 full scoop. This is half scoop. We need some more. It's getting a little heavy. Got a very big half scoop. Pour it in. Now add some vegetable oil. Plop, 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 ploppy, 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 plop. Tap, tap, tap. Now for some food color and some scent. Let's add some blue food coloring. Here's some blue color. Let's add some more. Now add some blue food coloring. Let's add some scent. I'm using rose scent. You can use apple scent. Of any type of scent you can use. Maybe it's enough. Oops, my hand got a little dirty. Now it's time to wash my hands. Be right back in a moment. Okay guys, I'm back now. I'll stir the mixture. The reaction is happening. Now see, the reaction is coming. I can hear the fizz. It's bubbly, bubbly, bubbly. Bumpy, pumpy, pump. Mixy, mix. Bumpy, mix. See guys, it's such a beautiful aqua color. I love it. It's my favorite color. Stir. The reaction is... Oh, you guys. Now, pour some of this in this mold. And like this. Dippity dop. It's getting pudding. See guys, it's gonna set tomorrow after few hours. So meet you after few hours. Let it set and you will see the action tomorrow of the bath bomb. You can keep this in the fridge to set. Okay, bye. I can't wait. It's a long time. Maybe our bomb should be ready. Our bomb is almost ready. So I'm gonna show you and put it in the water for you guys. See? See guys. And now it's time for the bath bomb magic. Ha ha ha. See guys, the bath bomb magic. Whoop. It's fizzing. It's fizzing. The fizzy magic. I'm lifting the bowl up. Now putting it down. It's fizzing. I wish I could touch the water. Puppy. It's really fun to see. It's fizzing. The fizzing is ending. Guys, this is really easy to make and it is completely fun for your bath. You can easily make this at your home and this is safe for kids to use. You can have this extra fun in your bath. And these are really easy to make. See? Homemade bath bombs. Guys, please sure to like my videos. If you like the video, press the like button and please sure subscribe my channel. The link is down below. And press the bell button. Ding 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 ding. Here's the bell button. Press tung 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 tung. Bye guys. Plum plum plum.